Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to factory reset the X97X. As you can see, we have the setup right here. We saw the unbox video, now we are going to see how to reset it. As you can see, we are going here in the settings. We have here device and performance. So now we know the performance as we saw in the unbox video as well. We go here to the menu again. In the end we have the system, and as you can see right here we have hard reset. As you can see, we have three options. We have reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. We have reset app preference and erase all data. As you can see in the end, this is the app preference, and the third one is erase all data or factory reset. So we have to go with this one to reset all or erase all the data that we had until now. Erase all data, it says here as well. Press it and the factory reset will begin. You can see now it's starting the logo of the X96S. It's rebooting. And now I think it's starting. Let's wait until the end. Let's see what it happens. We have here the logo of X96S, or as we call the slideshow. We have this beautiful show that is going until the box starts up. We shall wait until in the end, and as you can see now it started. We have here the box, as you can see, and we have here the erase button or the reset button, as we do always with a toothpick. So in this case you don't damage the button or yourself with electricity. You never know, these devices are not so safe. So you have to press the button for 10 seconds as we do always. Hold the button, power the box, and we should have all this done. You can see we hold it for a few seconds, and now the box is starting up again. We have here reboot system now, reboot to bootload, apply update from AXat. We have power off and all of these other options. We have wipe cache, wipe data, and now we have to go with this one, wipe data. Press yes. And now this is all completed. The box is starting up again. We didn't have any problem. This went very well. I don't think we have anything else to add here. You saw all the details, how it works. You see now that it is working perfectly. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel. We will do these kind of videos again. Stay tuned for that.